In this video, I will tell you how you can share your function logs with your app developer. For this, I have used advanced cash and delivery app. You can also install the same app from Shopify App Store. I have also attached the link of this app in the description box. You can check it out. So for this, you need to click on settings, then click on apps and sales channels. Then you can select any of the app here. For example, I am selecting this advanced cash and delivery app. Scroll down, there is an option of share function logs. You need to click on share logs and again you need to click on share logs. So that's it. You have successfully shared your logs with your app developer. If you like this video, then do like, share, comment and subscribe. Thanks for watching and happy selling.